Oh my God, it's Motovelli. What up, bro? How you doing? Ladies and gents, trying to get going here. Waiting for my friend, but I don't know where he is again.
Excuse me?
Yes.
You are here for the Solo Motors event or just like that? Or something else?
It's a motorcycle event every Tuesday.
Oh, that's a different...
Two-Wheel Tuesday, it's called.
Every Tuesday?
Every Tuesday, yeah.
Oh, so what do you guys do here generally?
We just get together and hang out. It's just a bunch of, like, it's a way to, like, meet people, like a community, you know? So all the motorcyclists from the city can just get together and hang out. And look at this view, you know? You take some pictures, videos.
Okay.
But it's usually in different places. This is like a special place. It's a rare place to have it here.
You gather here every Tuesday?
Yeah.
Definitely?
Yep.
All
Every Tuesdays, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
For sure. What up, brother?
You getting here or leaving?
I'm leaving. I've been here since like 5.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I'm like over it.
I just got out of work at 5, so I'm like...
Oh, really? Yeah, I'm trying to like figure out which way to get the fuck out of here. Probably this way, right?
If you go behind the van...
No, right there. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do.
You see my new Ducati?
No, what do you get?
I got a multi-strada.
Oh shit, hell yeah. Which one?
I got a 1260S in 2019.
Oh, badass.
It's right behind, yeah, actually you can see it from here. It's right there. Like I fucking parked in like the most innocuous spot.
Hell yeah. Well, you're proud of it.
I love it.
You gotta put it in there.
My favorite bike.
Hell yeah.
It's amazing.
Badass.
Yeah, man. But all right, we gotta catch up.
No, for sure.
Definitely. I'll see you. It's good
Nice to see you, brother. Ride safe out there.
Thanks, man. You too.
All right, ladies and gents, we are recording. We're about to embark on a small little ride to get the hell out of here, go home, and have a beer with a friend. Yo. Oh my God, it's Motovelli. What up, bro? How you doing? Where's this fucking guy? All right, I don't know. He might have dipped maybe. I'm not sure. I don't see his bike and I don't see him. I think that might be him. I'll wait like a good friend. It's gonna be all right. There he is. I thought maybe you were like conversating again or something.
Yes, fucking Anton came out of nowhere. He's like, hey, long time no see.
Dude, it's impossible to leave this place. And it's impossible to stay.
I'll be by behind you. I'm not gonna pass you.
All right, cool. Yeah, I'm not doing anything silly. Sorry. friend behind me. I don't know why I get so stressed out riding at night. I don't like it. Even with my crazy headlight. It's probably all just in my head. This person is going straight. And this person is doing a U-turn. Sweet savagery. Hi, bro. Does it?
Yeah, it sounds really good.
Hell yeah. Your bike sounds awesome too. It's a mean machine. Oh no, it's the Pow. They shoot us on the spot. Oh, what a beautiful night, right? The temperature is fucking perfect. I could ride forever right now. Just not in traffic. I hate all this shit. All these red lights and... Whoa, what the fuck was that? I forgot how to shift. The fuck? Freaking guy. Freaking guy. What the fuck? Something's wrong with me. I'm shifting all funny. I'm shifting all funny.
I wonder why.
I'm like, I don't know. I'm out of control.
That doesn't have a quick shifter up and down? No?
What, does yours?
Maybe.
Maybe. Will your KLR have a fucking quick shifter? This guy.
Some shift is going up.
Oh, there you go. That's what you need. Because your knees are shot.
It's one gear.
That's all you need. You're going like 30 anyway.
I want to see a light because it's like cutting off.
Is it?
A little bit.
Mine?
Yeah, I want to see. Don't hit the brakes, just go in a straight line.
Okay.
On the left side.
And see if my tail plate is on. Did it do it? Oh, he can't hear me, can he? I'm literally yelling to him with my loud ass bike in the wind going 30. That's hilarious. Oh, brother. This guy just sucks. Should have passed him. It's blinking? Bad?
It kind of looks like, you know those fucking little light bulbs you put in your
Yeah.
in your car, and when you hit the brake, they like flash a couple times.
Yeah.
It kind of does that.
Huh. Yeah, because I wasn't hitting the brakes at all.
No, at all. I wish I could put it on so I can record it.
Fuck. All right, I'm gonna have to check it out.
You want to switch?
What?
You have to, yeah.
No, it's okay. Fucking A. There's always something.
It's not bad. It's just
No.
just flashing.
Well, yeah, that just means pretty soon it's probably gonna cut off.
No, it looks like maybe the wire might be.
Yeah,
If it was short, it was short.
yeah. That's true. All right, so I'm gonna go straight and take a left on Skillman, but you go straight to Cancelli and take a right. You know what I mean? I'll tell you where you go straight. It's like one block you go straight. Come on, kids. Fucking A. Go up one block and right. Yep.